Hi, this is Allie Peters with the Elite Home Sales Team at RE/MAX Professionals. I'm standing in our brand new listing at 9621 Majestic Oak Drive in the timbers of the Pinery neighborhood of Parker, Colorado. This new luxury custom home is 5,334 square feet, 5 beds, 6 baths, and has a 3-car garage. Let's take a look around. There are so many unique features of this home that you do not want to miss out on, so if you want to come take a look for yourself, you can book a private showing with me or come by our open house on Saturday, January 28th from 12 to 3. Hope to see you there.